So this is a sample of some of the effects from the Neopixel Galaxy's Edge saber. This is unstable. I'm gonna try to do this all in one take. So here we go. This is kind of the randomized shimmering effect. Here, we'll wait for that light to turn off and it'll, hopefully you can see that. All right. All right, and here is, it's like a unstable pattern, but moves from the base to the hilt. It dims the blade slightly, and then each segment that's moving is slightly brighter. Again, randomized. Okay, this is a very similar one, but now the blade is at full brightness and the segments that move up the blade are slightly dimmer. This is flame. This is just kind of trying to mimic a flame effect going up the blade. So it's always brightest at the tip, and it's completely randomized as it travels up the blade. Looks really cool in red. All right, and then the next one. Oh, I did it. Hold on. Let's circle back around. We're back to flame. Okay. This is kind of a sparkle mode. It's going to be red. It looks blue on the camera, but they're actually white flashes, kind of randomly sparkling around the blade. And then this is going to be breathing here. Okay. And then just like in the normal menu system, it always goes back to stock. So all menus are circular, so you can't get stuck in them. Okay, and then we're back to stock. You'll notice a little bit if I pan back. Well, actually, let me zoom all the way back. There we go. If it'll focus for me. So the leading edge, it'll have a white dot, like a white pixel at the very leading edge of the ignition sequence. And then regular extinguish. But yeah. Oh, and let me see if it'll pick up the clashes. There we go. So you can kind of see how it moved from the center outwards. There's a single flash, another single flash, some singles. That one looked like a double. That was a double, definitely. So there's 3 randomized clash sequences. So anyways, it's the progress so far. Till the spire.